Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best die cutting machine is probably one of the most useful tools for any crafter, allowing you to create intricate designs with ease. Whether you're into scrapbooking, card making, or other paper crafts, this machine will help you achieve professional-looking results. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and everything else you need to know to make an informed decision. Number 5. Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit 661770. Introducing the Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit. This compact machine is perfect for all your crafting needs. It's designed for both beginners and experts. Take this portable machine with you wherever you go. Its small size makes it easy to transport. It's ideal for on-the-go crafting projects. The vacuum seal ensures the machine stays in place. You can secure it to any smooth surface for extra stability. This feature enhances your crafting experience. This machine handles a variety of materials. It can cut through lightweight cardstock and paper. It's perfect for scrapbooking, card making, and more. The Sidekick is compatible with Sizzix thinlets, framelets dies, and embossing folders. It supports items up to 6.35 centimeters wide. This expands your creative possibilities. The machine is approximately 734 by 434 by 312 inches and weighs only 0.7 kilograms. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use. It's a great addition to any craft room. The Sidekick comes as a complete starter kit. It includes everything you need to get started. Get ready to unleash your creativity. What we like? This machine comes as a complete starter kit, perfect for beginners. It's also incredibly portable, making it ideal for crafting on the go. If you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution that's easy to take with you, you should consider this. What people say. It cuts on the first pass. It fits most word dies and butterfly, dragonfly and stuff like that. It is only 2.5 inches wide, so small dies fit fine. This one has no problem cutting any of my dies I have tried in it. It will leave marks on the plates, but that is normal. Number 4. Sizzix Big Shot Manual Die Cutting Machine. This is the Big Shot, a versatile machine for all your crafting needs. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike, offering endless creative possibilities. The machine comes with standard cutting pads and a multi-purpose platform. This allows you to get started right away with your projects. With the Big Shot, you can easily cut and emboss various materials. It's ideal for scrapbooking, paper crafting, and more. The A5-sized opening provides ample space for your designs. It opens up a world of possibilities for your creative projects. You can use it to cut and emboss paper, cardstock, felt, cork, and even balsa wood. The possibilities are truly endless with this machine. The Big Shot is compatible with the full Sizzix library, excluding Plus and Pro dies. It is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of dies. The machine measures approximately 14.25 inches by 12.36 inches by 6.61 inches and weighs 7.50 pounds. It is compact and easy to store. What we like? The Big Shot offers versatile die cutting and embossing capabilities. Its A5-sized opening opens up a world of creative possibilities. If you're looking for a machine that can handle a wide range of materials and projects, this is the one for you. What people say. It has the 6-wide bed and I've been using it a lot. I can even use the Big's dies to cut felt and fabric for appliques in my sewing projects. It cuts very well and it does such a good job. Number 3. Fine Scrapblooms 6-inch Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. This is the Fine Scrapblooms Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. It's perfect for beginners and comes with everything you need to get started. It includes cardstock, dies, stamps, and embossing folders. The kit includes all the essentials. You'll find everything you need to create beautiful cards and scrapbook pages. It's a complete package for your crafting needs. The machine is designed to be portable with a convenient handle. Its blue and white color scheme makes it visually appealing. It's also a great gift option for any crafter. It's made from high-quality ABS material and carbon steel. This ensures its durability and prevents breakage. The steel roll system provides powerful embossing pressure. The machine can handle paper up to 6 inches wide, easily accommodating A5 paper. You can confidently create your own cards and scrapbooks with it. To emboss, use the 13mm plate, 2 3mm plates, and the embossing folder with your paper inside. This setup will give you beautiful embossed designs. For die cutting, use the 13mm plate, the 5mm plate, your paper, the die cut, and a 3mm plate. This setup will allow you to cut intricate shapes with ease. What we like? This machine is designed with beginners in mind, including everything you need to get started. The cute and portable design makes it easy to use and store. If you are just starting out and want a complete, easy-to-use kit, you should consider this. What people say. The machine is very well built. It is easy to use and works great. The machine is sturdy and well made. Number 2. 6 inches manual die cutting and embossing machine, blue. This 6-inch manual die cutting machine is incredibly easy to use, perfect for quickly starting your scrapbooking projects. It simplifies the process, making it accessible for beginners. With its cute shape and appealing color, this machine is a delightful addition to any craft room. Its internal components are made of carbon steel, ensuring a longer lifespan compared to many others. Measuring 12.2 by 12.2 by 6.7 inches with a 6-inch width, it accommodates A5 paper. This allows you to use a wide range of die cuts and embossing folders available in the market. This machine offers an affordable option for beginners compared to electric models. Plus, it's portable, so you can use it anywhere without needing electricity. For embossing, use the 13mm plate, 2 3mm PC plates, and an embossing folder with paper. For die cutting, use the 13mm plate, a 5mm PC plate, paper, a die cut, and a 3mm PC plate. If you encounter any issues, contact the seller directly. They will respond within 24 hours to assist you with any questions or problems you may have. What we like? This machine is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. The cute design and color will look great in any craft room. If you like a simple, affordable machine with a charming design, you should consider this. What people say. The die cutter itself is very nice. The easy-to-use handle makes for a smooth roll and grabs the blocks easily. I really like how the die cutter makes clean cuts, plenty of plates. It works easily with nice smooth action, even when it's full of dies. Number 1. OFFNOVA 6 Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. This manual machine is versatile for cutting and embossing. It works with various materials like cardstock and vinyl, without needing wires or software. It's a great tool for your crafting needs. Using an embossing folder, it transforms ordinary paper into textured patterns. This unlocks your creativity for various craft projects. Please note that the embossing folder is not included. The 6-inch opening makes it compact and space-saving, perfect for smaller projects. Unlike many other cutters, it doesn't take up much storage space. It's ideal for those with limited workspace. Simply arrange the dies and mats as instructed and turn the hand crank. You'll get your desired results quickly. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, it will enhance your crafting experience. You'll receive the die cut machine, for cutting pads, and an assistant sheet. With this machine, you can create beautiful cards, scrapbook pages, and home decor. It's a great way to bring your creative visions to life. What we like? This machine excels at cutting perfect shapes and embossing beautiful textures. The compact 6 opening is ideal for smaller projects. If you're looking for a versatile machine that doesn't take up much space, you should consider this. What people say. I decided to purchase this after I bought my Cricut. If I decided I wanted to do a simple quick project, this was just as easy and time-saving to use. I also like that you can do both embossing and cutting. I love that it folds up and takes less space. Like the opening size of 6 inches, so more options in die and embossing folders to be used. Great to have platforms fold up to reduce storage space used. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.